Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here with another video for you. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to go from $0 to $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing. So if you're brand new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe by slamming that red subscribe button and like this video because I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And I got to say, you guys, I appreciate all the positive comments. There's so many different videos you guys have been saying, this is the best video that you've released so far. Well, I honestly believe that this video will be the best video that I've released so far. So without further ado, no fluff, no filler, let's dive straight into the content. I've talked a lot about how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch and sort of the methodologies, the approach. But in this video, I want to show you what that approach looks like sort of in practice. So for example, if I was starting my business from zero, I had no list, I had no influence, and I even maybe had a little bit of money or maybe no money, what would I do to start a brand new YouTube channel from scratch? And how would I execute that step by step? How would I, pick my product? How would I obtain social proof? How would I go out there and share my results and create extra income and more results from those initial results? What does that actually look like? What does the video structure look like? What does the research process look like when it comes to picking an affiliate product? I want to cover as much as I can in this video. Of course, I can only cover so much. But number one, picking an affiliate product to promote would be going out there on a website like clickbank.com, going to the marketplace, finding a product that sells well, that's in demand, that's of value, that you will actually receive tangible value from and receive a result from. So let's first go over to clickbank.com, and you guys can see as a result of following this four-step process, I've been crushing it on ClickBank lately. Today, $2,823. Yesterday, $1,846. The day before that, $3,000. The day before that, $1,359. And man, I'm just crushing it. Absolutely crushing it right now. I've done over $17,000, I believe, just in the past 14 days. And that's by following this process I'm going to show you and rinsing and repeating. Look at this. $17,953.19. And that's in the past 14 days. So pretty cool there. You can see I've got $416 refund. Of course, people will refund from time to time. Those are the people that are wantrepreneurs instead of entrepreneurs. If you're going to do something, put some skin in the game, make a decision that you're going to do whatever it takes, non-negotiable. I'm going to put content out there every day. I'm going to take action every day. I don't care what's going on currently in my life, my situation. I'm going to make this a priority because I want it bad enough, because my why is deep enough, right? So if you want this bad enough, let me know in the comments. Say, I want this bad enough, and I will do whatever it takes. Okay? So moving on, ClickBank, the ClickBank marketplace. Again, it's simply a marketplace full of different affiliate products that you can choose from. Okay? And affiliate marketing, in case you guys don't know, it's the concept, the idea of selling other people's products, whether it be physical or digital, and earning a commission off of that. Okay, so ClickBank is sort of like an Amazon. It's a marketplace full of a bunch of products that you can choose from and then go on to sell any of those products. So if I go to Marketplace and I scroll down here, I got tons of different categories, aka niches. You can pick one of these niches, something that you really are passionate about, something that you're not going to give up on, something that's not going to that you're going to quit on like 2-3 weeks down the road. You want it to definitely pull you. You want to get excited about sharing value based around that specific niche every single day. And it's got to be something that you want to be compensated for. But worst case scenario, if you wouldn't, if you never got compensated for it, you would still do it. That proves that it's something that you're really passionate about and you're going to stick with it for the long term. So I'm just going to click on something like, health and fitness, and you can see all these different products that we have here, and we could see the average sell amount that we will be paid out. Now, any of these product owners are going to pay us anywhere between 30% commission all the way up to like 90% commission. In this case, this individual up front will give us 78% commission, which is pretty awesome. The initial sell amount when we send people to this landing page and they buy the initial product, we'll get $77.98. So when people go through the whole entire sales process, we're going to earn on average of $120.28. That's why this number is different than this number. So, with that being said, what we want to do is first select a product. We want to check it out. We can go through the sales page. We're going to scroll through the sales page, make sure that it looks like a great product. The sales material looks good. You can even go on Google, YouTube, check out reviews about the product. And then if you find it to be a good quality product, something that you can stand by and that you believe in, you're going to go ahead and buy it. And then you're going to go ahead and create social proof with it and share that product with other people through your results-based marketing, right? Testimonial-based marketing. So let me pull up this notepad again for you. And you're going to see number one is to pick an affiliate product to promote, okay? You're going to do that with any affiliate marketplace. I just use ClickBank marketplace as an example. It could be Amazon, it could be Commission Junction, it could be PureFly, it could be an independent product with their own affiliate program. But you want to make sure that it's a product that will pay you what you're worth. You don't want to be promoting products where you're going to get like $2-3 commissions. It's just not worth it, right? And so after you pick an affiliate product, and for example, in ClickBank, you can select like the promote button right here. Enter your account nickname, which is the nickname that you created when you first opened up your ClickBank account, which you can create a ClickBank account just by going to clickbank.com. And in the top right-hand corner, select create account. Okay. So once you do that, you log in, you go to the marketplace, you click promote, then you create your affiliate link, right? You're going to take this affiliate link and you can actually go out there and you can share it all over the internet on social media platforms, on YouTube, on Facebook. In this video, we're going to be focusing on launching out a product on YouTube. Okay. And there's tons of like different cloaking softwares and online services that you can use to make this link smaller. Okay. So it doesn't look so ugly. I use a tool called ClickMagick. So you can see this long, ugly affiliate link. I'm actually cloaking it. I'm masking it with this clean link right here. So I will leave a link in the description. It's under my top recommended tools where you can sign up for ClickMagick. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump back here. So what we want to do is go through the product and obtain social proof from the product that it works. So in my case, if it's a product that, is an online marketing product that teaches people how to make money online, then what I would do is I would purchase that product, go through it, and implement a method that product teaches. For example, solo ads. What I would do is I would go out there, I would implement a solo ad campaign. Okay, this might be foreign to you, but don't worry about it. I'm using this just for, just for the case study here. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and implement the solo ad technique that's taught in the program that you purchased. Go ahead and create a result with that, and then show people the proof that you created that result using that specific program that you bought. So now you've created a lead magnet and a pre-frame that will segue people into the product, so then they go on and they purchase that product. Okay? You can do the same thing with weight loss. You purchase a weight loss product. You implement the diet routine and the workout regimen in the product. You create a result from it, and then you use that result to promote the product. Now, there's a certain technique that you want to follow when you do this. Okay? Now, of course, after you do that, you just continue to build off of your success. You're losing more weight. You would create update videos showing people that you're losing more weight and refer people back to the product. You show people that you're making money, right? Like in ClickBank right here as a result of a specific product. And then, you send them to that product. So here's how it would work in action. In my niche where I teach people how to, build a business online, what I would do is, of course, select the product, create a first result with that product, which would be, that product would teach solo ads. So I'd go do a solo ad, and this is what it would look like step by step. So I'd first create an opening video just introducing myself, okay? Telling them about my story, my struggles, how I got online, how I struggled for 5 years, how I jumped around from opportunity to opportunity and product to product, how I was overwhelmed, how I was just being thrown in so many directions and lost a bunch of money until I came across the right system and the right mentor that helped me get online and focus all my energy in one direction. Once I did that and I had that mentor, had the right product, everything changed. I started making money, right? I started getting results. And maybe you're somebody that's in a position where you're not even getting results yet. Maybe you're documenting, you're showing people, hey, this is the product that I plan on promoting. And I want to sort of take you on a journey and show, hopefully, the transformation of me going where I'm at right now, if you're working a day job, to quitting my job and going full-time in my business. And you would document the sort of the growth within your YouTube channel. So your first video, the whole purpose of it is to help people to get to know you and your story. You don't have to have any results whatsoever. That's for the second video. We first want to get people to get to know us and our authentic story, because then we can eventually refer back to that video when you've got somebody new that's coming in your business saying, hey, I can't do this. There's no way. This isn't true. It's not legitimate. It's a scam. All you need to do is send them back to your first video. And then they'll continue to watch your other videos and see how you grew and got to the point where you're at today. That's truly becoming a testimonial of your product. Okay? So the first video is for them to get to know you. And then at the end of your video, you ask them to subscribe. So you basically open with your story. You inform them about the product that that you're going through, that you selected, that you're going to learn from. Okay. And then you just ask them to subscribe to sort of, get on board on the journey with you so they can kind of see the transformation. You just leave it at that. Okay. And then the second video, you're going to get evidence and social proof that the product is in fact working. So in this case, with our product that teaches us solo ads, we're going to run a solo ad from that product, get a result, and then teach people how we got that income from that solo ad, and then refer them back to the product, right? And they buy that product and you earn a commission. And then the third video, again, you're going to build off of social proof with even more proof, and then once again, refer them back to the product that helped you get that result. Make sense? That's the process, guys. That's how it works. Okay? Simple, easy to do. Anybody can do it. If you understand your story, we've talked about storytelling in this channel. Okay? Go back to my, I think it was like a few videos ago. Just go back through my channel. You can see how important it is to tell people your story so they relate with you. It creates that know, like, and trust. And, then what you can do is once you have that trust, you can begin to promote different products, different opportunities, whatever it may be. Okay. And then you branch out from just solely building your influence and your audience and your brand off of one product to being able to stand alone after you've created that first result and really become an expert and an influencer in your marketplace. So with that said, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, like this video, subscribe to this channel. And if you want to learn affiliate marketing from complete scratch, I would highly recommend that you check out my Inner Circle program. I'll actually show you this whole entire process I just explained to you in complete detail. Okay, it's all covered in these step-by-step training modules. You're able to watch me build a successful YouTube channel from complete scratch. Okay, in this video, I'm not going to tell you what that YouTube channel is. You'll have to get in the Inner Circle to check it out, but you get a free 35-day trial and you get some goodies sent to your door. You just pay for shipping and that's it. So if you want to learn how to go from $0 to $10,000 per month on the internet, check out my Inner Circle below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.